Hey there, keto beginners! Are you ready to dive into the world of keto and transform your life? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing my top 50 essential tips to start the keto diet successfully. First things first, let's talk about what you can eat. We'll focus on high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carb foods. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, butter, and fatty fish. Leafy greens, cauliflower, and broccoli are your best friends when it comes to veggies. Now, what you can't eat. Say goodbye to bread, pasta, rice, and sugary treats. No more starchy vegetables like potatoes and corn. And be cautious with fruit. Berries in moderation are okay, but most fruits are too high in carbs. Wondering how much to eat? Aim to get about 70 to 75% of your calories from fats, 20 to 25% from protein, and only 5 to 10% from carbs. Don't forget to track your macros. Tip number 10. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and consider adding electrolytes to your routine, especially in the beginning. This helps combat the notorious keto flu. Speaking of supplements, here are a few recommendations. Magnesium, potassium, and sodium are key to maintaining electrolyte balance. Omega-3 supplements can help boost your healthy fat intake. An MCT oil is a fantastic way to get quick energy. Tip 20. Meal prep is your new best friend. Plan your meals ahead to avoid temptation and stay on track. Cook in batches and store meals in the fridge or freezer for easy access. Don't forget about snacks. Keep keto-friendly snacks on hand like cheese sticks, beef jerky, and nuts. This will help you avoid non-keto options when hunger strikes. Tip 30. Listen to your body. Everyone's keto journey is different. If something doesn't feel right, adjust your diet and consult a healthcare provider if needed. Social support is crucial. Join online keto communities, follow keto influencers, and find a keto buddy. Sharing your journey makes it more enjoyable. You'll pick up new tips along the way. Tip 40. Track your progress. Take weekly photos, measurements, and keep a food journal. This will help you stay motivated and see your progress over time. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Transitioning to keto can be challenging, but the benefits are worth it. Improved energy, mental clarity, and weight loss are just a few of the positive changes you'll experience. There you have it, 50 essential tips for starting the keto diet successfully. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Stick with it and you'll see amazing results. Thanks for watching and happy ketoing.